Soil Kit makes it easy to identify the health of your soil. No more guessing or over-treating your lawn or garden. Let's get started with how it works. After purchasing Soil Kit online and receiving your kit in the mail, review the contents. Each Soil Kit box includes one trowel, one sample bag, and one prepaid return mailer for sending your sample to the lab. If you registered for more than one category, you will receive one sample bag and one prepaid return mailer per category. For example, if you registered to test your lawn and a problem area, you will receive 2 sample bags and 2 prepaid return mailers. Let's collect the soil sample. The first step is to identify 4 areas that best represent your lawn, from the front, side, and backyard. Using the trowel included in your kit, break through the grass roots. It helps to pull the grass back to make sure you are retrieving the soil sample 2 to 4 inches below the grass line. You will need 3 scoops of soil from each of the 4 locations you have identified. At this point, the soil in the sample bag should reach the indicated fill line. Once you have collected samples from each area and filled your bag to the fill line, close the bag by rolling down the tie tin top and crimping the metal tabs to the left and right. You can place the mailer in any United States Postal Service mailbox or take it to your post office. In a few days, you will receive an email notification that your lab results are complete. Easy to understand scientific lab results and recommended treatments for your lawn, garden, or problem area can be reviewed in your dashboard at soilkit.com.